You are staring at the end of an era. The image you see is the F-22 Raptor, once hailed as the best fighter jet in the world, slowly fading into the clouds. But this isn't a sad farewell, because in the shadows, the world's superpowers are making the biggest bet in aviation history. What's coming next isn't just a new fighter jet, it's a new breed of beast that the world is not prepared for. From the US secret NGAD program to China's massive aerial cruiser and Russia's near-space hypersonic executioner. Today, we will take you beyond the limits of flight physics to see how the Airborne Quarterback and an army of AI drones will reshape the face of war and the future of humanity forever. If we look back at history, aerial warfare began with simple piston engines during the World Wars, but the true turning point came after World War II with the birth of the jet age. Early fighters like the F-86 Sabre or the MiG-15 focused solely on speed and machine guns. Later, in the second and third generations, we saw the introduction of radar and heat-seeking missiles. Then came the fourth generation, where aircraft like the F-16 became the standard through digital flight control systems. Finally, the world entered the fifth generation, an era where stealth became the core heart. Aircraft like the F-35 and J-20 revolutionized combat by becoming invisible to enemy radar. But that was only the beginning, because the upcoming sixth generation is set to break every rule we have ever known. Let's start with the big brother, the United States, and the NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance Program. This isn't just about building one aircraft, it's a family of systems with a sixth-generation fighter at its center. It is designed to be a quarterback commanding the battlefield. The key heart is a system called CCA, or Autonomous Wingman Drones. The US military aims to have at least 2 to 5 of these drones for every manned aircraft. These loyal wingmen will take on high-risk missions, flying ahead to lure radar, suppressing enemy air defenses, or even carrying extra missiles to boost firepower. The US is pouring a massive budget into developing ultimate stealth technology by removing the vertical stabilizers and using adaptive cycle engines, which increase operational range by over 30%. This is a leap from being a close combat warrior to a commander who hunts targets before the enemy even knows they exist. Meanwhile, China is not sitting idle. They are quietly developing their sixth-generation fighter under the project code JXX, which analysts have dubbed the Airborne Cruiser. With its massive size and powerful engines, it boasts a vast operational range and an enormous weapons payload. China is intensely focusing on the Manned-Unmanned strategy, or Manned-Unmanned Teaming. The JXX is positioned as an aerial command center working with a swarm of wingman drones, such as the FH-97A, or Loyal Wingman, which emphasizes integrated flight. These drones will use advanced AI to analyze battlefield data alongside the mothership to locate and pierce enemy defenses. This is a philosophy that emphasizes firepower and combat mass at a level the world must watch closely. As for Russia, they are moving in an even more extreme direction. They are quietly developing the MiG-41, or PAC-DP, to replace the legendary MiG-31 interceptor. Russia aims for it to fly faster than Mach 4 and operate at the near space level. Its goal isn't just to duel with fighter jets. It is designed to intercept satellites and hypersonic weapons. With rumors of the installation of electromagnetic pulse, or EMP weapons, even if budget issues remain a major question mark, Russia has proven they never stop challenging the limits of physics. However, these technologies come with terrifying constraints. The biggest issue is budget.
A sixth-generation aircraft could see prices soar past $250 million per unit. Furthermore, in an era where everything is interconnected, cyber warfare is the most dangerous weak point. $100 billion aircraft could be brought down by a single hack, and lessons from modern warfare have already shown that cheap drones in sufficient quantities can utterly devastate expensive weaponry. This is exactly where drones and AI come into play. Manned aircraft will no longer fly alone. They will act as a general commanding a swarm of drones called CCA, or semi-autonomous wingmen. These drones will handle suicidal roles, acting as decoys, destroying radars, or jamming signals. AI will assist pilots in processing massive amounts of data in a split second. But it also brings about the biggest ethical question. Do we dare trust our lives to an algorithm? Who will pull the trigger in the final second? Man or machine? In the end, no matter how fast an aircraft is or how perfectly it can hide, what decides victory in the next era isn't just the machine, but the tightest connection between humans and technology. Air dominance is no longer about speed or altitude. It's about who can think faster and see further in a battlefield without boundaries. This is the bet of the superpowers, and this is the future hurtling toward us at supersonic speeds. It is time for us to be ready, because in the skies of tomorrow, there will be no room for those who stand still.